Video today, I'm going to show you another simple strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that you can use it to make money from wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to search for Digital24. Once you search for it, you can create a free account so that you can get access to a lot of different digital products that you can promote to make money from home. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, the next step is that you have to find a product that you can promote to make money from home. There are many ways of finding a product on Digital24. One of the best ways is to filter the product. So when you click right here, filter, once you click on it, you can filter the products by popularity, earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date, cart conversion rate. When you scroll down, you can see cancellation rate. Any of these methods that you want, you can filter the product so that you can find the best product that you can promote. Apart from this way, you can also search products based on categories. So for example, if you come right here, you can see digital products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can click on animals and pets. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see about 24 available products that you can promote under the animals and pets. You can see under business systems, they have about 6 products. Under business and investment, they have about 142 products that you can find to promote under that category. You can see computer and internet and many other categories. So when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different categories that you can find a product to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. After school, you can see these are all categories of products that you can promote to make money from home as a complete beginner. If you don't want a digital product, you can also promote a service or sameness. You can see events and sameness service. Apart from that, you can also promote physical products. So when you click on shipping products, once you click on it, you see they have 2 categories of shipping products that you can promote. You can see they have skincare, food supplement. Any of them that you want, you can just click on it so that you can be able to find a product under that category to promote so that you can be making money from home. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to leave it with the popularity. Once you leave it with the popularity, you can scroll down and then analyze the product so that you can find the one that you want. To analyze the product, there are 2 factors that you must consider. You have to consider the cart conversion rate and the commission rate. The cart conversion rate is the percentage of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. You can see this one is 20%. That means if you promote it to 200 people, if all of them click on the link of the product, about 20% of the 200 people are going to make a purchase for you to make money. And you can see the commission rate is $130.02. That is the amount that you're going to earn per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, you can see the next one, the cart conversion rate is 22%. The commission rate is $148.21. When you scroll down, there are many of them. So all that you need to do is that you have to analyze the products based on the factors that you want so that you can select the one that you want and then promote it. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here, Prodentin. Prodentin is one of the best supplements that you can promote. You can see the cart conversion rate is 23%. That means if you promote it to people, let's say 100, 200, 300 people click on your link, you are going to get 23% of those people purchasing the product so that you can earn money. And the commission rate is $126.30. Even if you are able to get up to 4 sales per day, you are going to be making a lot of money per day. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on the product so that you can be able to promote it. Once you click on it, you can see these are other details, but you don't need all of this. So just scroll down to the top. Once you scroll down, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can contact the seller and then get different resources that you can use to promote the product. If you don't need the resources, you don't have to click on this page. But what you need to do is that you have to click right here, sales page. The sales page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see once they click on your affiliate link. So click on it so that you can see the details on the landing page. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page. This is what your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. You can see the product is a dental product. It helps people to have healthy teeth. So if you are promoting it, you can use this information to promote the product. You can see no toothpaste or mouthwash involved. There is a method that you can use to make your teeth healthy and strong, and the method is found in this product. So all that your potential visitors need to do is that they have to make a purchase so that they can get access to the product to strengthen their teeth. You can see these are the ingredients. When you scroll down, you can see there are bonuses for your potential customers. So when they purchase, these are bonuses that they can get access to. When you scroll down, you can see testimonials. People have purchased the product and they are giving good testimonials. You can see these are all testimonials, so you can see a whole lot of them. They have the product in different packages, so your potential visitors can choose any package that they want and then get access to the product. You can see any of them that they select, they are going to get free shipping. You can see free shipping, free shipping, free shipping. And these two packages, your potential visitors are going to be getting the free ebooks. You can see this one, 2 free ebooks, this one, 2 free ebooks. So when your potential visitors select any of those two options, you can get access to the 2 ebooks for free plus the product that they purchase. You can see. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin to promote the product. To promote the product, you first of all have to get your affiliate link. So click right here, promo now. Once you click on it, you can see copy promo link. Click on it. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to find people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to earn money. There are many traffic sources that you can use. You have paid traffic source and then the free traffic source. If you're a beginner, the free traffic is the best that you can use to get people to purchase the product. Once they purchase the product, you can then use the money to run paid ads so that you can get a lot of conversions. So what I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money promoting this product. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is obsads.com. obsads is a website that allows you to promote products to people who live in the United Kingdom. And the best part is that you are not required to pay for anything. You can promote a product to people who live in the United Kingdom for free without paying for anything. You can see these are products that people have posted to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see all of them. So what you have to do is that you have to also create an account so that you can be able to promote your affiliate product on this platform without paying for anything. You can see these are the top locations and you can see these are the top searches. So what you have to do is that you have to create your account so that you can be able to publish an ad. So now what you have to do is that you have to create your account so that you can be able to publish your ad. To create an account, click right here, register. Once you click on register, enter your name, email address, password, confirm your password, accept the terms and conditions, click on registration. Once you click on it, you can get access to an account that you can use to publish ads onto this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, post your ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select the right category. So the product is under the health category because it helps people to have strong teeth and gums. So select fashion, health and beauty. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select the specific subcategories. So just look for dental care. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see dental care. Click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to type the title of your ad and then upload images of the product that you are promoting. What I always do is that I use ChatGPT to write my ad description and a title. So I'm going to type a prompt so that ChatGPT will write an ad description in a title for me. To type something like write an ad description for Prodentin supplement. Type a prompt like this and then click on send so that it can write a very useful title and a description for you. As you can see, it is writing the description and the title. You can see this is the title. Just take your time and then wait for it to write everything for you. As you can see, it has written a description and it has even added testimonials. You can see testimonials. So this is one of the best description that you can use. You can see these are testimonials and this is the description of the ad. You can see this is the description of the product that you have to use on your ad. Now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of your ad. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on your ad platform paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to get images of the product. So just search on Google for the name of the product so that you can get free images. So let's search for Prodentin. Search for Prodentin images. Once you search for it, click on images. Once you click on images, you can see these are all images that you can download and then use on your ad. So you can see all of them. In this case, I'm going to download this image right here. So right click on the image. Once you right click on it, click on save images. Once you click on it, select save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once the image is saved, the next step is that you have to click right here so that you can upload your image. So click on it. Once you click on it, upload the image that you downloaded. To upload the image, click right here so that you can upload it. So click on it, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, click on the second image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. You can upload up to 8 images, so just upload as many as you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the price. So it is in pounds. When I come back on Desktop 24, you can see this is the price of the product. So just come back on your ad. You can reduce it because the pounds and the dollars are not the same value. So enter anything that you want. Let me enter this way. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see description. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back on Desktop 24. Once you come back on Desktop 24, highlight and then copy your description. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link. So you have to type your call to action here so that you can paste your affiliate link. So type something like copy and paste this link into your browser to get access to the product, something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to go back on Desktop 24, copy your affiliate link and then paste it right here. So come back on Desktop 24. Once you come back, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to shorten your affiliate link. Just type something like shorten link. Once you type shorten link, click on the first website that you see. Once that is done, paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste it, click on shorten URL. Once that is done, you can see your affiliate link has been shortened. Once that is done, click on copy URL. Once you copy your URL, you have to come back on your ad and then paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see seller type individual dealer. So select individual. Once that is done, you can see your email address. It is already there, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see country. Which part of the United Kingdom are you targeting? Click on it. You can see they have England, Isles of Man. You can see Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales. Any part of the United Kingdom that you want, you can select. In this case, I'm going to select England. Once that is done, you can see county. Click on it. Once you click on it, there are many counties that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Let's select this county right here. Once you select the county, the next step is that you have to select the town. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different towns. Select any of them that you want. Now once that is done, you can see these are promotional options. If you want your ad to be marked as agent, you can select this option and then pay £3. If you want your ad to be featured at the top of the category that you want to publish your ad, you can check this box and then make a payment of £2. In this case, we are not going to select any of these. We want to make money before we can publish an ad. So just leave everything and then check this box. I accept terms and conditions. Once that is done, you can see the amount that you are going to pay is 00. You can see it right here. You are not going to pay for anything. Once you have entered the details, click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see congratulations, your ad will be published soon. Update ad. So your ad will be published soon. To revise your ad, please click. So if you want to revise your ad, you can click right here to revise it. But for now, your ad is available on the platform and you're going to be getting people who will see your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to earn money on Desktop 24 without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.